Right guys, how you doing? Welcome back for another video. It's me, Tony. How you doing? Not seen you in a long time. I've got the Ninja out. I've got plenty of new toys to stick on. I'm going to clean up the back end a bit. Let me show you. Lextech exhaust, R&G TAILTIDY. And I won't throw out this one, but we also got the Air Max Sport carbon look fibre hugger for the back of the bike. Right guys, as you can see from the video, that it's quite hard trying to pick the bike up, lift it up, because the mudguard's so long at the end that when you try and lift it up it's catching on the bottom of the mudguard. So we're going to stick the R&G TAILTIDY on first, I think, to stop that problem. Also clean up the back end. Okay guys, so where we're at really quickly, if we just look at this, I took the back seat off, I took the front seat off, we undid the bolts at the side here, we've took the guardrail off with the bolt there, these two bolts, and the handguards come off dead easy, really easy, just slip the green plastic off the top. There's 4 bolts here to come off, which is going to drop the... It is. Full TAILTIDY wires and all. Right, okay guys, this is the R&G TAILTIDY for the Kawasaki Ninja 1000SX. Now let's have a look in the box. Shitloads of instructions, page 1 of 25, that's going to be great for reading. Not number plate holder, it slides so you can fit your panniers on, I believe. The bracket that goes under your seat, we'll open that in a minute. We'll have a look, loads of wires, loads of parts, loads of connectors. Okay guys, we're back. Now I've just been inside messing about with this for about 2 hours straight. I've managed to get the TAILTIDY on and I've got it all fitted together. I've got all the wires routed through, all cable connected up there behind. Now the hardest thing that I was messing about for at least an hour to get the indicator rubbers through here, but I've managed to do it. A little bit fiddly at first, but there we go. That's the R&G TAILTIDY. Now all we've got to do now is just fit it to the bike. Right, okay, we're going to very quickly test it, see if it's working before we put it all back together. So the number plate light's working there, if you can see that. Left indicator. Yeah. Right indicator. Yeah, everything's on. Right, okay guys, girls, we've pretty much finished our install right now. I lost a little bit of video footage when I was putting the seats and the plastics back on and the handlebars, but it's proper dead easy to do. A few little fiddly bits on this install, that was getting the indicators through the hole on the R&G TAILTIDY. That was a little bit fiddly and quite hard to do at first. And the second fiddly thing to do was messing about with these wire things under here, because if you can see under here, they're very fragile, these here, and they just break constantly. And obviously feeding the wires to here, I've got a bit of bare wire there. I'm going to take it off when I've got time. I'll put a bit more of this wire protector under there. But all in all, it's an easy install. I would highly recommend it to all of you. There's a few YouTube guides on how to do it, which is what I followed, which is the reason why I didn't do a how-to video, because I don't know how to. I've just followed another guide on how to do it, but I think it's looking very smart. There it is. It's certainly tidied it up. I'll do some before and after videos right now. There. Hello, Tess. Who's this, Tess? Hello, Tess. Hello, Tess. Everybody meet Tess. Hello, Tess. You're lovely, aren't you? Love to lick faces and give kisses, don't you? Right, okay, if anybody wondering whether the panniers are going to fit on with the TAILTIDY being on the back of the bike, we have a pannier to try. Right, okay, so just to let you know that I have adjusted the R&G TAILTIDY, I think, as far as I can outwards, because it's on a slide, it goes in and out. So hopefully there's enough clearance. Just enough clearance. And it's on. There it is, TAILTIDY. Just enough clearance There you go. Just enough clearance. It's just slightly touching it, but not an issue. Okay, so my second reason for putting the tail tidy on was literally for this reason alone. Basically, this was catching on the mudguard, the original mudguard of the bike. As you can see now, there's plenty of clearance. Right, okay, before we go out for a quick blast on the bike, just to let you know that in the next video, we should have been doing it in this video, but in the next video we're going to be installing a brand new model of exhaust by Lextech. I think it's the SP9. We've also got a back hugger to put on as well, which is going to be a carbon fibre hugger. I'm going to go out for a blast on this, and I'm going to come back for the next video for the exhaust install. Let's go!